Hey. Hi, pit bull lady. Hi, pit bull lady. What you doing, Leila? You having fun with the Rottweiler this morning? Oh.
You guys are so good.
It's fine for us. That's shit. She's shaking hands.
I'm gonna go get her some food.
We can always help you.
Yeah, really?
We have a backyard.